Oh, hi friends. It's me, Mr. Clay. It's so nice to see you. Say, do you want to play with me today? You do? Awesome. I've got this new barn toy, and I think that there are some animals inside. Should we open the doors and see what's inside? Awesome. Let's go. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 doors on my barn. Let's open the doors. I'll open this door first. Look what's inside. This is an animal that's kind of small. They're usually pink and they say oink, oink, oink. What is it? That's right. It's a pig. That's so cute. Now let's open another one, shall we? Open this door. I see an animal that's small and fluffy and white. And it says, "Bah." What animal is it? That's right. It's a sheep. He's so cute. Let's open another door. I see an animal that says, "Ruff, ruff, 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 ruff." What animal is it? That's right. It's a dog. Isn't he cute? Do you want to open another door? I'm gonna open this one. Oh wow, I see an animal that's a little bigger than a sheep. It has horns and it says, "Mah." Isn't that funny? I make myself laugh with that one. Mah. That's right. It's a goat. I think goats are pretty funny animals. Let's open another door. Here we go. I've got an animal that gives us milk. He says, "Moo." What animal is it? That's right. It's a cow. Look at that cow. I like his spots. I think we have one more door to open. Let's open this door. Ooh, I have an animal that's really tall. They can run really fast and jump over things. He says, "Nay." What animal do I have? That's right. I see a horse. Look at my horse. What do you know? I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 animals in my barn. Do you want to put them back? Great. Let's clean up so we can be all done. Let's start with this door. Say, "Bye, horse." Bye. Make sure I close it. Say, "Bye, cow." Bye. Close this door. Say, "Bye, goat." Bye. Make sure I close this door. Say, "Bye, dog." Bye. And I'll close this door. Now say, "Bye, sheep." Bye. And I'll close this door. Now, bye, pig. Bye. And I'm going to close this door. Well, we cleaned up all our animals, and I've got to run. But I had so much fun playing with you guys. You want to come back again? Awesome. I'll see you then. But for now, bye.